7 Viral Shorts Tricks for 2025. Going viral on YouTube Shorts? It's not luck, it's a proven formula in 2025. Ready to learn the secrets? Shorts are killing it on YouTube in 2025. Millions of views can happen overnight. Want to know how creators do it? First up, hook your viewers in the first 2 seconds. That split second decides if they stay or scroll away. Your hook should spark curiosity, shock, or emotion. Think, wait till you see what happens next. Simple but powerful. Text on screen right away helps reinforce your hook. That boost in retention is the #1 secret to going viral. Next, keep it short and snappy. The sweet spot, 15 to 30 seconds max. Cut the fluff. Every second counts. Use fast cuts, sound effects, and memes to boost engagement. Loop your ending for replays. YouTube loves loops. Tip 3. Use trending audio smartly. Don't pick just any sound. Go for under 100k uses and fit your niche. Matching audio with your niche like finance, humor, or lifestyle boosts your shorts chances to blow up fast. Fourth, tell a microstory. Even 30 seconds can deliver a setup, tension, and twist that hooks viewers emotionally. Example, she saved $1 a day. What happened after 5 years shocked everyone. Stories boost shares and connection. Tip 5. Focus on one clear idea per short. Overloading confuses viewers. Clear content is viral content. Next, post at peak times. For global reach, 12 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time hits when North America and international viewers overlap. Use YouTube Analytics Audience tab to pinpoint your best times. Posting smart means more views, plain and simple. Finally, use smart CTAs in your last 3 seconds. Don't waste that space. Drive action and boost your ranking. CTAs like follow for more money hacks, or like if this helped you grow, push engagement and algorithm love. Going viral on shorts isn't magic. It's momentum from these 7 tricks used consistently. Ready to explode your views? Use these hacks daily, watch your shorts blow up, and join the millions dominating YouTube in 2025. Want more creator hacks and YouTube strategies? Hit subscribe and stay ahead of the game in 2025 and beyond.